Hurry up.
No, I'm RPing.
Brownie, crap, stuff like that.
Are you ready?
We've been ready.
Alright.
Kettle.
Done. Da 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 da.
Being baka.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. It's beautiful.
Awkward bump. Don't touch me. Where's the knife? Give me a knife.
Hold on.
So we can check if it's really done or not. We have to check if it's really done.
Yeah, they're done.
Is it soft?
Not completely.
But
Okay.
cutting of the first.
Ta-da!
I'm scared to touch it. Make 2 pieces. You know I'm gonna eat it all. I'm getting a glass of water.
We'll get milk.
No,
Brownies always go good.
there's not enough milk anymore.
So what?
Our sheep brownies.
Thin but delicious.
Less carbs than you think. Filling up the water cup.
Do you like my sword?
Shut up.
Like that? Oh my god, you got that. Do you like my sword? Oh my god, sword. You can know that sword.
I get a broken piece.
You always do.
Nom.
Hot, but nom.
Oh, cool.
Hot. Yeah, sorry if I take a break for a second. I'm just trying to do something.
Nom water.
Girl.
Herb grinder. She's eating. Sebastian never eats.
He does now. Just only when he's testing.
Donna, my piece.
Hot.